Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today we continue with on this React chat app. Right, and so I already opened the chat app on my web storm. So usually we have two folder, an app and server. Server is the back end and app is a React front end app. So this video I'm going to work on just a React front end app. So I will only start to React app by running npm start. So ooh. And this is what we have done before. And the left side we have a list of channel, and the center we have a list or methods of current iterate channel. And our right sidebar we have a member inside each channel. Okay, and the bottom then when the input for user send a new methods or with the send button, right? And right in the top of here I'm going to user, and this is current login user, and here so before start, alright, so I'm going to install the first thing is immutable, and this help we in measurement object and array much better, and load that it's a lot of helpful function. So let's install this by open new tab in my terminal and cd to app and npm install, npm install stable load that immutable and load that. So I'm installing two malware. Okay, so next thing I'm going to use a new object ID and general new object ID. So I'm going to in library.js. So actually you can install npm bson, but for in this project I just only want to use a object ID right here. So let's create a new helper function inside new folder helper or new folder helper helper new folder, and inside new folder I'm going to create it index.js, and next file will be object id.js, and let's copy all of the codes inside this. Copy that and pass here. So and say close that. Alright, so let's close this and I'll remove that. And get back to our project. So let me introduce to you and what we done before, and we have an app, and this is exactly the main application file, and we working within messenger component, and here we can have a component. In the component we have all the methods. We just created the test method before, and we generate from 0 to 100. So today I'm going to create a new store file. So I create a new file store.js, and store will be a part default class store, and we have constructor something. This constructor is nothing parameter when we initialize it, and we have a d.methods equal. So I'm just going to use immutable import something from immutable. So I'm going to use order map from immutable. So we can call about it order map, right? And this dot channel equal new order map as well. So the matrix, okay, have a matrix, channel, and order map, and this dot user will be equal new order map as well. I think so. Right, so for example, give is temporary equal right ID, right ID. So ID in this case, so we can, so for example, I give it this ID equal 0, semi, and name equal something like Toán, right? And created to the time new date. It's exactly when user created, right? So I think that's enough. And so how we use the store in our app? So we can do this very simple. You can do constructor in app, prop, and super. We have to call super prop. So if you don't call super prop here, so your React app will be crashed and open in browser. So you have to call it because within the is from the component module, a components class. And outside we have a state equal store equal right store equal store. And here we can get store by current store equal this state. Alright. So we can pass store from store equal exactly store and to messenger. So in store we have to call import that. So let me import store from, it should be an outside component, so store. And so here we init new store. Right, cool. Okay, so and this store, and inside messenger we have let debug something, and console log message we remove that. And how we get store from outside of messenger component big, so we did set store, and store is exactly prop. Store is a, this is a state in app component, but we pass state from component to messenger component. Store is a state and become to prop, right? So and you can do this.prop.store. I console log, and here make some comment here for easy to understand, right? Store, and here we can open console log, and now you should see in store all the trial property here, channel and matrix and user, right? Cool. Right, so we have a store right now, and we can access store, and so inside store I'm create a new more function, get matrix. Should be exactly return this matrix and value sequence, right? Right, so it's return or the value of the matrix, and so we can get channel equal and return this dot channel and value sequence as well. You can get return this matrix, but when you loop in use a loop in React, so you get warning. So I will show you how in the next minute. So value sequence, we have a two value sequence. Alright, so get channel, get matrix, and so we need to make a new function here, create a matrix or add matrix. Add matrix we have, so alright, add matrix. So for example, now I'm going to generate an index, alright, index and matrix equals something. Alright, so we can do by this matrix equal this matrix dot set first param equal index and the next equal matrix exactly matrix we pass from param. Alright, cool. And same thing, we can create a new more function add channel. Same thing at add matrix. Channel, we have index as well, and channel, and something, and we can do the channel equals the channel dot set exactly index and channel. Cool. So I think that's enough. And here in our side matrix, when we call add a test matrix, so when we call matrix and inside state, so we can remove this because we are not going to use the state anymore, and this dot set state no more. Okay, so when we generate a new matrix, we have to set some id equal its I. So the matrix should be an id, author, and body and avatar. It's an image avatar and use in me right for this tag. So we don't need it anymore, and so we can get course store equal this prop, right? Or you can do this. I will explain to someone is new to React, so I hope you can understand. Store equal this dot prop dot store. Right, so that's basically you can use this, and so now we can do it by cause new method, and we can call to store dot add matrix with the function we just created before it, and here we can do add matrix first index and new matrix. The index should be exactly I. We loop through from 0 to. Alright, cool. Alright, so store does add matrix, and so here we should see the matrix arrow, and so because the matrix no more from this state, and the matrix should be exactly cost matrix equal store dot. Alright, so we don't have a store, so we call store equal this prop. And so now we can access store class, and we can call that guess method. We did create method function and guess method to return all the methods. And so here we can loop through all the methods and method avatar and me and body. Alright, cool. So right, problem. So you can. The question is, so why don't the methods show up here? Right, this is the most common question, because the React will not automatically re-render the component until you call re-render component, or you can call this set state. So for example, in this case, so you can call something like, okay, I need update my component and re-render it now because new matrix art. Alright, so we can basically call this or set state, right? Something and new date, right? Or change latest update time to new date, and now you should see the matrix, right? So, but I don't want to do that. So when we call to the matrix store as method, it should be re-render the component. So how we call re-render component, or you can call it git.force update, and should be same exactly. We have a matrix show up. So how we call this force update from store So for example, I want to create a new function update, and here we call zip dot some other component and force update. Alright, so and some other component, how we can get some other component. So and when we initialize store prop, you can do it by did. Did exactly app component. So and we call initialize new store. So in store we have a path from app component. So basically you can do this dot app equal app component. So now you can set from inside store class in two messenger two app component, and here so you can just call this app.force update, and once the math is created, so we can call this dot update and should be same, and now you should remove this anymore, don't need anymore, and here should show up matrix. Cool, right? That's how I hope you understand that as well. Right, cool. So we have a matrix or a matrix here, and now we need to create some test channel. So right, so alright, create test matrix, and doubler, or we need to create some test channel, right? Channel. So for that, alright, key equal 0. Now let's see equal 0, c less than 10, and c++, right? So we can do cause new channel, right? Sorry, new channel equal. So the new channel we have ID exactly c, and title should be, right, I'm going to use ES6 and channel title and exactly c with this for understand last matrix equal, hey yeah, here is my, right, something like that, hey there, and we can set the key for c for easy to see, and nothing with. Alright, so we should be have member or user. I think it should be member, and the list of all the member we list in the right sidebar. Alright, so miss comma here, and the matrix. We have a list of all matrix here. Row. So, but in this case, I want to use the order map for member and matrix as well. So here I'm going to use the immutable, import something from immutable, and right here I'm going to order map, and so in the member we can do new order map, and this is empty, and the matrix new order map as well. So alright, so we create a new matrix, and I think we can create channel after we create a matrix, because so I want to include some matrix ID, and so we had something like and new order. So the matrix ID equal from to 100. So let me include, alright, so first thing is 0 or 5. I want to include 5 matrix, 2 and 6, 2 and 7, 2, and that means the new channel, it has new matrix, new 3 matrix equal with key equal 5 and 6 and 7. Same thing with new order map. Alright, so order map, so it's the member, we don't have any member here. So So I'm going to create a temporary user. So we can do card user equals it's a temporary user. So the first thing, user ID key. All right, so I think I can go on the map as well. And the first thing with user, the first ID, user 1 and head object ID equal 1 exactly. And name, for example, Toán. And the 2 replay 2, for example, Alex, gender, and create three member. So 1, 2, 3, and we Kevin, something like that, right? And created should be new date. There's a date time when user created new date, created new date. And so you can include avatar image here, right? But so I think it's not right now. So have this user, and so in we have a user key 1, key 2, and key 3. So in the messenger we can do key 1 equal in, or I want to include or only 2 people in this member, and 3 true, and that means we have only 2 people, 2 members in this channel and 3 methods in this channel. So alright, so far so good. So wow, we created new channel here, a new channel, and we need to call store the add channel. Add channel exactly a function we just created before. Alright, add channel. Where is the add channel? Right here, add channel. And so an index should be C and new channel. So when we call add channel, we should call this updates as well. And this will be make sure the component, this component will automatically render. So, and right here we have a 10 channel add, and right side we do have one channel, and just remove that thing. And right here we can do, the first thing we need to do is call channel equals store dot get channel. Get channel is the exactly function we did create before. Okay, so get channel, and here we can loop through by channel dot map. The map should be channel key and key, or channel, right? Channel and key, and so you arrow function, and we need to return this. And so now you should see 10 channel is show up. Alright, and warning method because we don't have a key. Alright, so remember pass a key exactly, key from here. And so the method should be again. So we have a 10 channel added. Cool. So let's rename something. So channel should be an avatar. So right, so avatar I will keep it. So should we in the next time we can replace to exactly user avatar. So for now we can do is the right channel dot title, and here is channel dot last method. Channel right last method. Cool. Let's copy that. And channel dot title and channel dot last matters. Okay, so let's see how. Wow, cool. So we have a channel title 1 and header ID and 2 and 9. Okay, so it worked. Alright, So we have a 10 channel add. So, and we also have, remember, 2 and 3 methods. So how we can do by, so in this case we are not going to list all the methods when we click on some channel here and show up channel. So how to do that, right? So the first thing we need to do is git.activate channel ID equal, so by default, so alright, give it is null. So right, by default we have a no channel is show up, and we can create a new function get activate channel, and so got activate channel and get activate channel. Right, so right, code channel equal. So the first thing we need code channel ID equal if this dot channel activate channel ID, and we have a z dot activate channel ID, or oh sorry, we can do that. So first thing we need to do, if this dot activate channel ID equal, so we can call by this dot channel. It does mean channel ID exists, and we can do get right by this dot activate channel ID, and all the while we return by g dot channel dot first. The first does mean the first item of the channel will be selected. If we are not so the first channel will be selected. So for example, refresh the page and the first channel will be selected. For example, channel 0, and so here. And here we should be return channel. Return channel. So and g channel ID, and so, and in the messenger component we can do by code activate channel equal store dot get, or activate channel is the method we just created, and so we'll console log activate channel is activate channel. Activate channel right here, and so we should see the log in the console. So now you see a activate channel, it should be equal ID 0. This is exactly the first item because we didn't select any channel. So, and here I need to program to select or unclick on click someone else, and channel will be select change. So how we do that? Okay, that's very easy. You do on click, right? We can do by this dot on. Okay, exactly. I can do by this this dot on select channel, right? This dot on select channel, and so we have to create. Alright, so sorry, should be like that, and this is on select channel key, and key, right, on select channel key, and or even we can hand code exactly inside here, so we don't have to create it new. So first thing we need to log console.log channel ID is selected, right, key, and exactly the ID of channel. So now you should see, right, select, alright, so it should be channel dot id. I think like that. Alright, channel 3, 6. So, and key here we can, our key it should be channel dot id. Right, so we can do that. Right, refresh. Right, refresh. Activate channel E by default is empty and undefined, and now activate channel ID E. Cool. Right, so so when we select this, so how we can change and activate? So we can call this by store dot select channel. Right, ID should be exactly channel dot ID. Store dot select channel, or activate set activate channel. Right, set activate channel, and we didn't create this method, so we have to create. We get activate channel and we set activate channel ID. Right, set activate channel ID, and so we change it to set activate channel ID. So, and here we have ID and d dot, alright, activate channel ID equal exactly ID, and okay, so that is cool, not cool. And we have to call this dot update as well because the class change, and here we click something change channel activate 0 and channel activate 2 to 1 and 2 3 and 4 are cool. Here we go. And so now you see when I click to an activate channel and the method doesn't change and member it doesn't change, so because we fix this, so we have to get all the methods from activate channel. And here, so when we create a new channel and we have a new methods and or a map of methods and member, and so in our messenger component we loop through all the methods here. So the methods array now not going to all the methods. It's not going to get all the methods. So let's uncomment this. So we have to get all in the method. Get, alright, yes, methods by channel ID. So we have to get the all methods. Get all methods by channel ID. So the channel ID exactly right, activate channel ID. So we can call activate channel ID. So activate channel ID. Cool. Alright, activate channel dot ID, and I'm going to use a load function get activate channel dot ID, and so we can take care someone else. So to import load from load dash, and here you can use a get. Okay, so we can get laterally, and so right, sorry, store dot get method by channel ID, and we have to create this my channel ID. Method by channel ID, or we have activate channel, and we can also get this by store dot get methods from channel, and here we pass activate channel from channel and get methods from channel and activate channel, and so do that by create a new function and get the method, and get the method and channel. We have a parameter channel, so return channel dot methods dot right sequence a value sequence. Cool. So now we make some console and console log methods in channel, right, activate channel dot id and methods. So right, so it should belong to console. All right, something problem. Return channel dot methods, or channel is undefined. So we have to check. By default, activate channel is not selected. Activate. So how we do that? Activate. Alright, sorry. Activate channel. So cost methods. It should be methods from channel and get methods from channel, and here we have channel is not defined. So problem because the channel is not. So in our store, alright, get methods from channel. Right, if channel, and that is the channel. Alright, return this. Otherwise we return null, or we return alright new order map. Right, cool, things like that. And console log activate channel. Activate channel is undefined, and so because when the app is rendered, activate channel is not undefined. So activate channel, activate. So if activate channel and we locked it, and otherwise we don't show up. So I think it should work. And here is no more methods. And hey, and the methods is the method in channel. We have a 3 methods, right? Methods, sorry, okay. Alright, problem I wish fixed it. When we have a 3 methods here. Say, but right, but problem is when we loop through all the methods, when we create a new channel, the methods only, we store only the key. So how we do that? So let me debug something here by we log to console log methods, and so I think it should be exactly the ID 2, and we have index, right? So we have like clear something and click number 2. We have index 1, 2, right? First thing 0, 1, 2, and exactly is the key of the methods. All right. Oh, sorry, it should be not. So problem A, we get all the methods, but when we can log to the console, we log to the console and the index is wrong. First 0, 1, 2. But when we add a new method, we have a key equal 5, 6, 7. The problem is when we get the method, we need to get exactly right from key should be key sequence. So and here should be much better, and refresh the app. Now you should see 5, 6, 7 is exactly the key when we add new methods. So key sequence, and so here we get the methods. And so when we get exactly channel and key sequence, so we can do it by let's matrix equal an array, right? And if channel, so key sequence does map, h does map, we have a value and key, so map value, and I want to console.log, and here we can return new order map, return matrix, and so we log here and click here, and the matrix equal empty because we don't add any. So console log value, it should be exactly the key, and select first one and activate channel E. Right, so get matrix from channel this channel dot matrix dot, I think this I will add something, right? So we'll add something high and value, and we can debug something, the value, and refresh the app. Right, so it doesn't show up, so dot key sequence. Alright, click something. Alright, at map key and value and key, value and key. So now you should see and high 2 and exactly value and key, and we have a 5, 6 and 7, so we have a key of order matrix. So we can do this by cost matrix equal this dot matrix dot get exactly key, right? So matrix dot put, right, matrix, and here we can get order matrix. So the matrix dot me, right? So we don't have a matrix dot me, and matrix. Right, cool. This dot matrix. Oh, wait, first thing we need to console dot log matrix. We'll debug something, right? Something, or sometimes it's how to debug it, but it's fine. I think it's fine. Debug undefined. So problem, we have a two file, and so why the matrix with matrix dot get by key, right? Need the matrix to get by key. Okay, so after I debug something, I found problem E. When we set a new matrix, and we start to add the matrix with index equal, right? So I equal, we can start type up, right? And exactly number. Now you can see console.log type, right? It's exactly number, right? But when we call and command us, and when we log to key, we can do console.log type key. It's exactly string, and string and number is different. When we call this method to get key, it will be undefined. So how to fix that problem? When we add a a new method should be index should be now to mark to index. So here we can see that look better, and we mark the number into string, and the same thing when we create a new channel as well. Add channel and set should be marked to string right, index. And when we create a new channel, new method, we also mark it to string. Alright, and the same thing for channel, and we should mark to ID should be string and should be not in number, and on the map key, right? I think that's cool. Number two, something like that. 3, that should be string. 0 and key. And the next time we connect to MongoDB, the ID exactly is a string. It is not a number anymore. So 2 and 3 and 1, 3, and so here we can see. Alright, so we got our matrix. Store. And here we got the key and the matrix, and now the matrix exactly put to an array, we return the matrix. And here now you should see when we activate something, the matrix should not change, because when we add the matrix, when we create a channel, we fix the matrix should be exactly from 1, 2, and 3. So how we make the random or automatic to make it? Alright, so for channel, so the matrix should be equal exactly. So here I can do the exactly C plus 1. Right. Okay, it doesn't work. So exactly C or I. It works like that. So we have to do separate by the matrix should be, and here we can do new channel equal, and so we have to make a let, because we are going to make change channel new, and new channel dot matrix dot set. The matrix dot set now cos matrix ID equal exactly number C for example C, sorry, should be exactly C, right? We see because the C is from to 0 and to 10, but the matrix from 100, so the matrix ID equals C should exist. So we can do that by set new matrix, right? So matrix ID, so here we can call it matrix ID and 2, right? Okay, so matrix new channel dot matrix, right? Number 2 we select 3 and 4, and when we channel 5, and the matrix should be exactly from matrix 5 and channel 6 and matrix 6. So if you want to add more matrix, so we can do, but matrix equal matrix dot set matrix ID cos more method ID equal exactly, we should make it to string C plus 1, something like that. And here we have a 2 method. Alright, so first thing we need to do, equal method more method ID, and here we have a 2 methods. So method when channel 0 activate, we have method 0 and method 1 and method. Now we click on channel 1, we have a method 1 and method 2 and the next thing, right? So method 2 and 3 and 5, we have a method 9 and 10. So how is that? Is how we get all the methods in Ep3 channel. So here how we get all the member inside the channel. The same thing in the methods. Okay, so when we add new channel, member 2 and 3. So inside store, so we can create new guess member from channel. Equal channel should be provided from parameter, and so we can do cost member equal an array and return member. And so it's same thing all of the method. Let's go right. So with if channel, we can make sure channel is not undefined, and channel does member does map should be value. Alright, so value and key. So we also need to console those log debug key. Alright, so we need to get a member from channel. So in messenger render component, we can do it by render cost method cost channel and cost member equal store.get member from channel and activate channel parameter. And here the member, and we can loop through all member by in the right sidebar. I think right in the right sidebar we have a fit, right, and remove the last one and just show member does map. Alright, so map should be member and key. So return this, and we don't need comma anymore. Return. Alright, so currently no more member in channel. So I will remove all the debug here. So install debug key and right messenger we debug somewhere. The math is loss of. Alright. As math is we log to. Let's check where we can messenger right here and messenger. Alright, so we don't need anymore. Remove that. Alright, still someone somewhere. Console. Alright, here. Remove that. To make console, right, you have debug key 3 and key 2, and that means equal the ID of the user 2 and 3. So the ID should be string 2, 3, and the ID should be 1, 2, 3. It's exactly ID. And so get back to remember when we create, we have a two member and 2 and 3. So when we loop, we can get all the key of 3, 2 and 3. So how we can get user? So very easy to do. We have a user, it should be order map, so we can get this cost member equal, right, user, exactly user. We have this variable start, and the core gets exactly key, and show the member dot push member, and we return the member here. And so I think the member will show up on the below, and it's a fixed member because we didn't change anything. So we have a member, and so we have an image and ID and name Alexander and created. So in replace key on the right sidebar, and the image for now we can keep the avatar from import into top cloud. So I'm not going to change it because we don't have it. So, and here we can get by member dot name and John. So I think we can just keep that because we have a 3 datetime, and or you can get the datetime equal member dot created, and this datetime is show up. Alright, something happened. The member dot name, right, dot map member, and so we should have key, right, member, right, member created. So just give it 3 days ago, and we can implement this later. And so you see the 2 member Kevin Alexander, and click here. There's no member change because we set fixed I group member. We add only 2 member, and try, well, let's see in somewhere, and we have only 2 and 3 member key, and so we got only here. So if we want to include the member ID 1, so in this case that include number 1 equal 2, and here now you should see my name. Alright, cool. So this is how it works. And so in the next video I will implement the user matrix table and connect to the real-time database in our backend. So I hope you can understand in this tutorial, because I think it should be a little bit complicated in React and prop and state, but I hope you can understand it as well. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye.